Hello friends, welcome to Spice Dhamal, the channel where we simplify recipes. I'm your host Nitin and I'm back again with another fantastic recipe. It's going to be quick recipe, it's going to be finger food type recipe, and it's going to be chicken starter recipe. So before I tell you what recipe it is, if you are new to the channel, make sure you press the subscribe button and grow this foodie community. Press the thumb icon to like our videos, press the bell icon and select all so that all the notifications come instantly to you whenever we upload videos. So what recipe is going to be? It's going to be spicy chicken bites. So these are going to be very easy. We are going to marinate some breast chicken pieces and toss them into a spicy sauce. 10-15 minutes, a quick finger licking recipe. So let's start. So the first step going to be marinating the chicken. This is breast boneless chicken, 250 grams. So we will be adding a half a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to it. Then a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a teaspoon of mixed dried herb, and teaspoon of paprika powder or a chili powder. If you have, you can use that. And then add little bit of black pepper powder. So this would be around half a teaspoon. So add salt as per taste and give it a good mix. So for the spicy sauce, what we are using is tablespoon of red chili sauce, 2 to 3 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon of honey, around 2 tablespoon of chopped garlic, and 1 green chili finely chopped, little bit of coriander leaves, little bit of butter. So while cooking, I'll tell you the full method, and in the description box also there is a written recipe if you want to follow that. We'll start by adding around 2 tablespoons of oil to the hot pan. Give it a good swirl and let the oil come to a nice smoking temperature. So first thing what we're going to do is we're going to sear the marinated chicken and then we will build the sauce. So let us add the chicken pieces one by one. Let them cook from one side and then turn them over. Don't turn them over immediately. So chicken pieces are seared nicely, they are almost cooked. Now you can move them on the side and it's time to build the sauce in the same pan. So we will start by adding little butter to it. That gives a nice richness and balances the spiciness from the other ingredient. We will add chili and garlic to it. Then reduce the flame little bit and saute garlic and chili for few seconds, around 30 seconds to 1 minute. Wow, that gives nice fragrance. Now it's time to add the other sauces to it. So first goes chili sauce, then the tomato ketchup and the honey. Give it a quick mix and let the chicken coat with these sauces and cook in it for around 2 minutes. This is the spicy chicken bites. Let's plate it and enjoy it. We'll just add little bit of coriander leaves to it. So here you don't have to chop the coriander, just add the leaves like this, which will give great flavor. So friends, wasn't that a really quick and a tasty looking recipe? I'm going to test and show you how it is. So these spicy chicken bites, they look amazing and they pack a bomb. Let's test. Spiciness from chili and that honey mellows it down, so it becomes a beautiful combination and a really easy recipe. So friends, if you like that easy recipe of spicy chicken bites, make sure you press that thumb icon to like the recipe. If you are new to the channel, make sure you press that red button and subscribe to grow this foodie community. Press a bell icon, so whenever we upload recipes like this, you get an instant notification. We will be uploading this on FB platform, so follow us there as well. And until we meet again with fantastic recipes like this, stay happy, stay healthy and enjoy cooking.